Let's compare OpenAI's Sora 2 with Google's VEO3 with real-life examples.
Whoa, steady! Damn it!
Ladies and gentlemen, triple axle with a cat balance with house. 1, 2, 3, spin!
Mine! Got it! Up!
Cover middle.
Outside.
I'm on it!
Set.
Go! Ah, close! Nice swing! Point! Good job, y'all! We have to turn back! The ridge is collapsing!
No, we pushed to the summit now. We have a wind. We need to move now. We're saying nail. Race up, go.
I in view side. I am not sure we can do it.
Folks keep saying you can't ride a horse that's riding a horse. Guess nobody told these two. Steadiest pair I've ever had under me.